Okay, here we are in the Pitts biplane, Boulder City, Nevada. We're going to fly over and see the Hoover Dam. And this is Aerofly again, so this is very simple. I just jumped in the airplane. It's all set up and ready to go. And a Pitts is a notoriously hard airplane to get off the ground. Well, so they say. I've flown one, but I didn't do the takeoff and landing. But they have a reputation for being difficult. And I strongly suspect in Aerofly that's going to be vastly dumbed down, which is, again, there's a place for that, and this is the place. I don't want to mess around with ground looping and flopping all over the place while I'm trying to make a video. So a forgiving flight model when we're just playing around, there's nothing at all wrong with that. So here we go. Now it does want a little right rudder. Now it wants a lot of right rudder. Well, that was too much. Okay. All right, trying again. See what I mean about the simplicity? It just dropped us right back. We can just try again. Doing a little better. There we go. Because we're behaving badly in these outrageous behavior videos, we roll off and take off. I don't know, maybe a snap roll. Alright, now I gotta figure out where the canyon is. I believe it's east. And we'll just fly up the canyon to the dam. Prop back a bit. Looks like there's a pass up here to the left a little bit. Right up out there, El Paso. This might be it right here. Hard to see out of this thing. There it is. You know it would be really outrageous is going under this bridge. And then looping over it. Outrageous and or mortal. Mortally dangerous. It's not feeling right. Not feeling right. Oh, nope, fell out of it. Try that again. This is ugly, ugly, ugly. There we go. Well, that wasn't very pretty. But it was outrageous behavior. Maybe I get into it a little more aggressively. Just keep it coming around. Oh, I like that a lot better. Yeah, that was a good one. All right. That is, in a word, outrageous behavior. In 2 words, outrageous behavior. Let's see if I can land it. Well, actually, challenge 1, let's find the airport and then see if I can land it. Oh, that's a weird look. I didn't like that. Didn't like that at all. Holler if you see a runway. Maybe from the front seat. No, that's even worse. By a mile. Oh, you know what else? It's fun to do a snap rolls at the top of a loop, coincidentally enough, to see. there's two hard things about landing this. One is seeing the runway, and the other is getting it slowed down enough. You really have to concentrate on getting it slow because it flies so well when it's going fast. But to slow it down, you end up with the nose up in the air, and that just makes the visibility problem with regards to seeing the runway even worse. These are pre-excuses. If you don't recognize them by now, that's a series of pre-excuses for what is about to occur. Kind of hold it off to the side for a while, try to keep it in sight. We're up nice and high, so I'll have a kind of a steepish approach that lets me kind of see I can do like a slip. And you know, it's going to be aerodynamically inefficient, so the airplane's going to come down faster than it normally would, but I need it to see. So see, I'm holding left rudder right now, and just to keep that runway in sight, but see, that's going to increase our sink rate. So nice to have a little altitude to spare for that. I can, of course, address it with throttle, but then that works against the rudder and yada, yada, yada. We'll see. More pre-excuses. All right, 90 knots is still a little fast. It's out there somewhere. There we go. Okay. It's down there somewhere. Oh, fast, too fast, too fast. Whew. That was not good. So, this finishes this episode of Outrageous Landing Performance, or whatever. Alrighty, see ya.